What's up, my fellow cats? Welcome back to the Nerds at Home show. It is currently season 1, episode 2 of this show, and today I will be talking about why dog toys squeak. So, back when the dogs were even crazier furries, they loved to hear the sound of small animals getting killed. That squeak there activates their hunting instinct because it's the same sound small animals make when they are dying. But I prefer not hearing that insanely annoying squeak from the dog toys. Personally, I'm a cat person. Anyways, the video's over. Please have a good day and